Thanks for allowing me to speak on this important subject. This House has been asking for this to be brought for the last two sessions, but unfortunately it couldn't be brought because of various reasons. But finally, we could able to speak on this. Let me start off by thanking all the healthcare workers, frontline workers, who have participated in this big activity, as well as offer my condolences for the people who lost their lives. Ma'am, the second wave, which we have seen, was very devastating. We have seen, or we have heard, we have read about the wars, but most of them, the devastation was only at the border areas or in a few villages. But this one, COVID second wave, literally visited every household, and death and destruction was there in every household, ma'am, across the country. This was brought about because of the non-functioning of various pillars that our democracy was built on. We have to talk about this, ma'am, because for the last two sessions we were asking about this. The four pillars which we have thought who would help us was, the first one was the judiciary, ma'am. We thought judiciary will be taking it forward and making sure that whoever is suffering from this will be relieved of. Say, for example, the migrant workers who were making the huge trek thousands of kilometers. There were so many cases that were filed, ma'am, but judiciary never bothered about them, ma'am. And coming to the media reports in the media, even when they were quoted in the courts, ma'am, they said we cannot act based on the media reports. And there was a few suo motu cases that were filed in the courts, ma'am. Even then, they were quashed or they were not heard, ma'am. And the second pillar of the democracy, there was failed us, ma'am. They thought they'd done the work, but they haven't done enough work, ma'am. Was the media. Media has, until the virus, until the crisis reached Delhi, the whole media was looking somewhere else. They were not reporting. Even the ones who were coming on the television, live television, who were saying this destruction is happening in the villages across the country, they were not given enough coverage, ma'am, until it was reached Delhi. The third one was the most important one that has happened was the Election Commission, who made the elections happen, who conducted the elections happen without any sort of control in West Bengal, UP, and even in Andhra Pradesh, ma'am. When we said there's a coronavirus wave that is happening across the state, still they went ahead and conducted the elections, ma'am. There were thousands of deaths. In UP, somewhere around 1,600 teachers lost their lives, ma'am. Even in West Bengal, even in Andhra Pradesh, there was around 1,500 teachers who have lost their lives, ma'am, because of this. These are all the pillars of the democracy, ma'am. And on top of this, while this whole thing was happening, there was IPL that was happening in the country, ma'am. IPL, it was like watching IPL was like watching the band that was being played on the Titanic was the Titanic was sinking, ma'am. It was so sad. This is all because of the overconfidence that we have exhibited, and also the premature celebration that we have done during the time of the second wave, ma'am. Let's not forget all this, what has happened. And again, we are at the same situation right now, ma'am, because right now we are again trying to celebrate because we have done almost 125 crores doses of vaccines that have been administered, ma'am, but still only 48% of the population has been covered, ma'am, above 18 years of age. And still, children not being covered. On top of that, the reports are coming in that Omicron, the new variant of virus that is being detected in almost 23 countries, there is no proof, ma'am, that is available that this variant is not yet arrived in India. So we have to be very careful about that. And more than being careful, we should not demoralize the public, ma'am. We cannot demoralize the public by taking these 6 or 7 steps, ma'am. First thing is by securing the lives. Securing the lives, I mean the healthcare. With regards to that, we have tried lockdowns, we have tried travel bans, we have tried to create panic, ma'am. All of them have failed. Let's not revisit them. Let's review the availability of the beds, oxygen, and medicine, ma'am. Let's concentrate on testing. Concentrate on testing means just not do the testing and leave it there. Make sure that wherever the airports, ma'am, this is just last 2 minutes, ma'am. This is we are with the fourth. दो मिनट, 2 मिनट.
बोलने दीजिए मैम, नौजवान हैं.
So, concentrate on testing, ma'am, not only in the airports, but in the districts and blocks where the virus is prevalent, ma'am. And also, I expect the ministry to actually relook the universal health coverage right now, ma'am, because take the example of Andhra Pradesh, where Aragyasri, which was brought in by our late YS Rajshekar Reddy, was a huge success during this crisis, ma'am. And also, I request the ministry to do the door-to-door vaccination, ma'am. We were successful in doing that during the while eradicating the polio. Maybe we should again try this, ma'am. And also, we should make sure that children also get vaccinated, because a lot of other countries are doing it. Maybe we should also have a protocol as soon as possible so the children will also get vaccinated. And also, most important one, ma'am, there were numerous reports, numerous numbers that were there with regards to the number of dead people across the country during this crisis, ma'am. Last 1 minute, ma'am, I'm concluding, ma'am. So I request the people who died because of the crisis be compensated as soon as possible, ma'am. At the end, I conclude, ma'am, I conclude by saying BJP has a good strength, the ruling party has a good strength, that you have a ear to the ground, you have the... Ma'am, last 1 minute, ma'am. I conclude. We have a ear to the ground, you can maneuver this way or that way because you get the unfiltered unfiltered feedback from the ground, ma'am. So I requested you to look and get the feedback from the ground and make sure that poor people are taken care of, ma'am. As Gandhiji said, think about the poor people when you are in the doubt. So please, I request the government to look into the poor people's eye. Make sure that at least this time we won't repeat what has happened the second way, ma'am. Thank you very much.